Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am a TNTOR fan apparently because I bought another power bank from them, and so I got this one here too. That one I got was only like 2,500. This one here is I think like 5,000. So this one here should be able to charge my phone all the way up to full for the most part. So let's check this one out here. So as I opened up in the box empty. Here it comes with a USB-C USB charger for it. And this is it here, super thin, super light. Look at this, it comes with the little wire for the iPhone built into it, so as long as I don't upgrade my iPhone anytime soon, it's good. And look at that, I can push the button. I think there's a button, right? Where was it? Right there at the top. Push the button, oh, and I've got 4 dots, so it came charged already. How cool is that? And I'll show you like comparison. This one here is tiny compared to it, but it's also not even half the size. So let's see. What does this one say? Yeah, I think this one's 5,000, and this one here was like 2,000 or something. So how cool was that? So this is nice, convenient. Look how thin that is. I'm going to stick this in my crossbody bag, and so I'll be able to have a charge wherever I go. And I'm actually going on a trip next week. So actually in 2 days. So I'll have myself a nice little battery pack. So super cool. Thumbs up for me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.